De Eko and DH.
Na De Eko nso ampa.
De Eko papa.
De Eko ne bon kontin ekwakwahwe.
Samon she De Eko mame.
De Eko. I was all shit because I know one Eko.
De Eko. Bedi metina ube unu De Eko.
No. Your friend is of Mami na Hayford. Me yen century. Me say ye actress. And then you ma who do pee ekeka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa. Na seben ma po me den ho dia. Eno ane Jifax mixture. Bonje. Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia. Eye so flexible. Baby I will be to afa bia. Mitimi jina pabo atenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa. Mini abema. Ebema wonso wa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jifax mixture tumpre kopani say. Eduro no ho te. Ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so. Eni fidie wonwosuom e na ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye no nti ma ye resade. Eno wane Jifax mixture. Edure wo benya bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi e be ho. Na momitie enye ma pemfo oba a o ma akwala nofo. Ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu. Jifax mixture. Pa.
Want to live forever.
Ya kamfo tomado mama manfo saa ma obi obato saa se wotwa woni kura twa wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomado mfo ne toma nkrofo a omo asisi omo adan a obi emi so obohwe wam ko ba bi pa ena ya bono bra tomado
to asasi ya every tomado real estate and construction for na hold no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia who bebre tomado real estate and sasi papa fee
Can turn the pavement into white sand.
De Eko adofo mechia obibia sa abribia motena se mo hwe program e ma ne koso boko me da me sponsors ase mo de mbetena program so no ma momudina na ayete se manhye mo animonyam many aso de amoye mam Jifax herbal mixture nyami enhira mo to mandem raw estate and construction nyami enhira mo na wotwin de wo kromfo Inyasem getwo akra kitfo bia oye rapper e wo Ghana ha sei eye ochia mi kofi ene ne yiri Stacy omo ba panyini bi akra na jese rapper otete de Inyasem getwo ye be kokroma akakore be beto ankomodie ni so
De Eko. Bedi metina ube unu De Eko.
CALISTA He's ESI under MIC. It's Calista, baby. My dad calls me music. If I can make, then you can make, then you can make. If I can make, then we can make. If I can make it, then we can make. If I can make it, then we can make. There's nothing too hard for me to do. The same goes for you too. When I feel like I don't have a clue, I pick up a can read. That's so true. I don't wanna score a 0 in the class. English, science or math. My friends would tease me, they will laugh. Every day I concentrate. That is why I'm never late. No, one day I wanna be great. In God I place my faith, and unto Him I will give my praise. There's time for everything, but now it's time for you to listen. Your teacher is teaching, so why in the back talking? Answer the question. Answer the question. I wanna know. Answer the question. Answer the question. Let's go. Don't let anything stop you. You're special. times now. Yes, my friend. Yeah. I know I can. I know I can. What about you? Learn hard, stay in school. Be a hero, that's so cool. Make hay while the sun shines. Prove to the world you're one of kind. All work and no play. Make Scully a dull girl. All play and no work. Make Scully a dumb girl. Little bit of this, little bit of that. That's what I'm talking about. Hard work is all it takes. Just remember, hard work pays.
Dieko, bedi mekina ube
Yako kurom aba. So watch a video and jidi say, oh, Edru ye Stacy. Any ochiame coffee. Nyami inshira mo pa se man come over na talent anshe. Eye your sponsors ye da must G-Fast Herbal Mixture. What's it papa order for? So won't me nko kwanso no ye bema wo sisi ya de anha ho. Kope G-Fast Herbal Mixture. Na bibia ebe koso kama pa. Afese to Mandom Real Estate and Constructions. So wo pass as a part of the mesre nko featuring. Nko twansa asibia ma bodyguards for bia ma boom prepra unkun srew. Koto Mandom Real Estate and Constructions kota asase pa. Na bibia ebe koso kama pa. So person who to Mandom Real Estate and Constructions, I'll bet him out from 02435183938. Now bet him for G-Fast for so swear. So we wholesale, we saw your pharmacy bibia o pebi a 2 attendee. For G-Fast Herbal Mixture, it was 0261319895. Mommy, wow video we a rapper. Lo sika baby. Who is saying? What you say here, you meant to say
a good pound. Say like and say you be na Abema ne ba aba entertainment ne mo cause and you be na odwini papa fa ho. So as long as omo timi guiding on money timi bibia correct no, I think a very good idea.
Very good. Yeah. Man now say.
Say she abedi pele kra ne me. Omo bobo. Nti me hwe we no anya me mama kra.
Na che say adia maami ana papa ye bia no ba betimi afa bi
easily.
Yes ye bobra pa. Yes. Ya mama kwa ba ever De Eko so. Nansa ntwetwe ne ye hwe bibi say oba de ade no hwe. E wo be ma ho ansa wa ka se be ma we de. Me ware no ma.
Our ready it takes the hand just nyame na e hye ware. Say ye see de ani e hwe de aka de pe no na ye beka no. Midi me she bema oje ni ye muze bema on ma common deal me be too stingy mo say thing ba me de bema on ma a common new bema otie me kasa obe din we tie me ansana ono de ne de aiden atoso na structure wise so kame pepa say menya be ma oswa. Oh yes, me de no no
dienti
me psychology kakra na me hu ne say be ma oswa no enye omu nyina de but most of them 70% utumi control no utumi kan sama ofa ma eyifo no me ka say hey
Pedro, Lucy. I don't know what's it.
No, I mean,
say no more kind.
Oh, there be no, but say also Obiani how Obehu no son or pen like any bad at all.
Okay.
Any bad.
And so when he saying, dear na was so bad. Dear no who ye woke no. Oh, what are you?
Well, first of all, maybe a very hard working guy. Obi bemo ye quadruple like and shedanye attractive sir. And I also knew Obia Obema vision. I like only like mo kabom together, mutimi who future. Oh, like I mean nowadays more like say yeah pe chilling already, but it's a new bill so pe chilling like chilling to the end. Nothing will happen. So I also know Obia like nyansa eden. Yeah.
Sir, obe worry be ma. Ahofenti. Oda ahofenti be worry be ma.
Say
be man looks nti a wo pɛ no
enye no nko an account cause say oba be man so share oba na so the looks nko an and then just like obedru age be na obeja one na so be kwa kofa wachi nti look na don't think say
looks no ehia pa e di say me de na ya me kan e di say me say me tia enti me kofa be ma tia me ba
be kuri
enti no aya na balance what I say and na be me bi o asem si no pie police station na say when your problem cry wo de ka kobo bi ka na e bia ya chewa na be ma ni pie ho a police for ni tumi ho be ma no hwe no so na oh vairako itumi si enti look say ni munyam be ma na ni munyam we ma bi ho pie fia ankra ma ni na adwane
enti si ade ahofe eto na ye discuss to na ye de su eto ho a se yi baako nti apeso ware okuna obey dey me yi esu be esu yes Lucy obey dey
esu no me just say
character like the behavior
okay and
why you know unti ase kai obey dey
the character yeah
man Lucy ka se be character ye ko je nkrato ye ba sia
Hello, your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen century me say ye actress. And then you ma who do pee keka ho. And na medwuma dinti. Ma po me den ho hia me papa. Na se bad ma po me den ho dia. And one Jifax mixture. Bonje. Jifax mixture nti me ni sisi yare bia. E yes so flexible. Baby I will be to afa bia. Mitimi jina papa tenten so just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa me nia bema ebema ho so wa ye bema mapa senti a meji Jifax mixture tumpre kopani say eduro no ho te ye de afa abefu nimde kwan so eni fidie wonwosuom e na ye ne frinchem kroje ye no nti ma ye resade eno ane Jifax mixture edrei wo benya bi wo drugstore eni herbal store bi e be ho na momitie enye ma pemfo oba a o ma akwale no fo ana akwala a onyanya emfie dumienu Jifax mixture pa pa pa. Do you really want to live forever?
Ya kamfo tomato mama manfo saa ma obi obato saa tin se wotwa woni kura twa wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomato mfo ne tomato nkrofo a omo asisi omo adan a obi emi so obohwe wam ko ba bi pa ena ya bono bra tomato
to asasi ya every tomato real estate and construction for na hold no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia hudro bebre tomato real estate and sasi papa fi
can turn the pavement to white sand.
Ya kwa jenkrato aba afi no hwedwumadi din De 3 Eko me anti dwom din di Abena Ghana na ne mpanyifo bi na ehia wo fi ame maame actress ma Felicia and Ghana's Nicki Minaj Lucika ene ye twetwe nkomo wo fi ase maame ansa ba ko be rap baako ni wana ase so ne
it's option for exclusive ADP
ma edi adipa na attractive etwe ho ben wo kunu ho die ne ma no twe ben wo so se be ma we die me dono
the way makoma me quick tempered enti the way
Martin fa bi ho
ai eba se aso kasi me na bufu na the way be act or a soft spoken person the kasa bro e mama koma to me and a mama me get attached to him pa
Lucy ade na twe ko boss
you bebre
kind.
Well, like maybe ever like so okay, me very hot and on ever come, but like on to before but like with itiminya balance be and like I say on say as long as utimi edron say like you don't see yourself without that person that means like you really have to be with that person. Tell me who say me new before for be a year journey together.
Answer na mo ba be worry no.
Yeah.
O first date I want no have here. De3 Eko wadwenem.
First date
First date obefa opie. No.
We had so many days because first days because I don't. Okay, first date yeah, call fully like that was interview be. So like it wasn't really a date.
What feel saying? I saw old show on there, but
now I'm like yeah, whatever. Let's see. So wait me do stage now open up.
Sign heavy.
Yeah, whatever.
Sign heavy.
Like whatever.
Ma, what's that?
You share way party, I say. Na party ne a party. Na till daybreak. Na and then mommy and son and every me party. I was very beautiful. Hey, see, na me mommy and son and I pay me party na say. But me no any so gidi ba no. No, I was already my catch also me phobia or ye gentle. Until te one na me ameko friend say me and son. Yes, I be 10 minutes be na. What's osatna say? No, I me number. It's in the next day, na me cast me fear him.
Oh, say, hey, ma, there will be a key.
Oh, yes,
there will be a
mommy and son.
It's where the band panu kunkaye. It is sweetness thing, pana, or husband. I can't show what to work on say.
Well, like, the Biana or Castle, like, also sometimes, yeah, Mayana, you have issues like with ourselves. Maybe I'm not feeling beautiful, me say, but or no catch him say like, and me per se, but like me so and ope. Like I felt it was really cute. So because say it doesn't matter how I look, but
and fun of
so still I be.
Dear some fun of that show.
One day Obama me so topa not in a cam, but or fancy na mini umbrella or fancy a bad. So now I won't try me soon. And you'll say
sacrifice.
And I'll say I was created for you. And I felt like the whole world is coming down.
I feel it. I'm feeling it. Baby, tell me that. I'm feeling it. Sir. Oh, Daddy, this is beautiful. My blow Daddy kiss. I love you. Blow Daddy kiss.
Yeah, they ain't gonna kiss. They're gonna French for the.
Oh my God. Advice, Ben. No, the Bema. I should fly a ship. You insist here. Or more room pen so so more for Bema. So more canny.
I dare make catch you when they say, na memoir because there were hidden characters. So we are just one in time about 10 years.
Yeah.
And sana, what when they shoot, but on your memoir, na who Bema. O super bema or be boa brabum bema who feel say uni home pa on your bonnet.
Yeah.
What's a day now be catch it?
Mark be brain, I'm so me the bet was when say understanding a crow and a patience.
And a patience.
Yeah.
A key.
A key. Because guys some up a crow like they are babies, so also treat
baby, sorry.
Yeah, even those like we jump I don't like okay, I'm saying that but like sometimes me and I go well
you go gaga,
I know right? But still I mean who's say like patience is a key word, like you know.
Yeah. Patience a key word. You want to drink crato you better do so.
Hello. Your friend is of Abena Ghana Hayford. Me yen century me say actress and then you ma who do pee keka ho and na madwuma dinti ma po me den ho hia me papa na se bad ma po me den ho dia eno ane Jifax mixture bonje Jifax mixture nti minisisi yare bia e so flexible baby awo beto afa bia mitimi gina pabo atenten so just say Jifax mama your best mu ankasa mini abema Ebema wusuwa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jifax mixture tumpreko peni say. Edro no hote ye di afa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie wonwosuom ena ye ne Frenchem kroje. Ye nunti ma ye resadie. Enu wane Jifax mixture. Edre wubenye bi wa drugstore eni herbal store bi ebe ho. Na momitie enye ma pemfo oba a ma akwala nofo. Ana akwala onyenya emfie dumienu. Jifax mixture pa.
Do you really want to live forever?
Hey, Ya kamfo tomado mama manfo saa ma obi a obato asase se wotwa woni kura hwe wonsa nifa edan yegu ha nyina ye tomado mfo ne toma nkrofo a omo asisi omo adan a obi ya mi so obohwe wa mko baby pa ena yabo no bra tomado
to asase sia every tomado real estate and construction for na hold no longer the same bia and so broadcasting kaso fako kaso papas kaso labi any miamia hudro bebre tomado real estate and sasi proper fee
can turn the pavement to white sand.
Yakwaje nkrato aba afi no hwedwumadi din de dio komi anti dwom ndi Abena Ghana ene nkomo twetwe no afutuo ewo mu ampansrew wotifiere wo hwa afutuo yi na beboa wabrabo. Lucy, last words to your fans, your loved ones, daddy, everybody, and chia.
Well, so like when we call out of the scene so like I think say a lot of people would just say be me worry. Also would just say oh worry. That's the thing. Oh worry, your life is not over.
Yes, I say that didn't me ish. This Nicki Minaj.
I mean, I'm young. This year I'm 24. So like I mean, there are so more things ahead. I know when you look at me, who
ma, so I was me a baby.
So like I mean, they should just look out for me. More things ahead this year, and you know, be faithful.
Good.
My husband, meaning say a program you better or YouTube, but as someone person me catch and say I would love him to my. To say my last breath. My last breath.
Oh my God, I'm feeling it.
I love you.
You feeling what?
Oh, I'm feeling it. Yeah, Abena way I'm not just say what na say. So Abena ndi amo pepa kwa so mpesa mosre. Ma achede fefefe bi wa de obi di car, obi di dan hye. Aha, nsro. Wa hwa na ware. Lucy. Ne wa yi ba kwa mam. Wo da yiro ho. Erade ma onyi dia wo mpesa obeyi. Benya chewing gum. Okay. Ma we dey idea kwa hwefo say me ma won hwe camera yi mu na won present as a newscaster say entertainment who news no wo ma wo say nwum to ana say movies as a newscaster can be reach say ahwefo
to me hwe camera
na pose sadia news for me na
De Eko TV ni da masesa mo hwe de odi animu ye frɛ no Abena Ghana ewom se ɔware wanka nche obia nanso eno de ye de beche nansa the questions bi wo hɔ a accept obisa question na utumi hu sa wo se achew. In fact ono na ye the best presenter oya de pa nti mum koso a na mo hwɛ De Eko TV Eko commercial break.
Thank you, mommy. I got commercial break. Hey, Radi. I said, "We don't have the first now." Me and Musa said, "We have for." Hey, Radi, Lucy, you mama. Also, Oklahoma to my party if I breach the room. Some found whatever you know the watch. I say, behave like you're playing guitar, and you look so happy. Behave. We say, "Oh, guitar." So when you're like, you understand? And so you get up, you look like. So do it.
You never bought romantic guitar. Yeah, superb.
You must see some buy. You watch it if a fair figure ha. You the man. You petit panty ja. De Eko for some for copy and mouth fe. Mommy. The coffee and mouth. It is so fear. Now they are eating a mother. Why?
That's De Eko.
Hey, welcome on back on that's it. Hey, Nadia, you.
And so when you in combatants sometimes.
I'm one cynical casa, and the work about all and that's it. You don't be asked a social program in I J. I just say, me who the I'm coming near Jibber, I will show you so. What's out if you are watching him so when the AJ? Coswana should De Eko abribia. Now you want Yama Pankani at the bro. Yet I sponsors G for Seba Mesha and it's a Mandam Raw Estate and Construction. That's a net your best sign share with you, Medieso. Only a misro, Fakuma Pananti, what's in Akuma pa a B coin. Yami enshira obibia.
De Eko, Bedi Mechina me mahunu De Eko, Bedi Mechina ube hunu De Eko, Bedi Mechina me mahunu De Eko, Bedi Mechina ube hunu De Eko. Aha de matre me dwem, de mi di meni me huna meka. Abena Ghana, matre me dwem, de mi di masubeti na meka. You come, yenti di amanfoka. Obeti wasum, beti mi eko, De Eko, Bedi Mechina me mahunu De